E get one video wey dey circulate wey dey show the wife of a brigadier general. I no know whether na she o, but dey say na the wife of the brigadier general wey dey snuff out im life. She come out for the video dey talk about that video dey so touching. She dey talk and she dey ask whether her husband na fowl wey dem go just dem no go give am any acknowledgement. The video she really talk from her heart, and e get something wey she talk wey make me dey think say if that kind of thing fit happen to brigadier general, wetin fit happen to our president? And see this one no be say I just dey talk anyhow. You know say sometimes when all these little things dey happen, we go think say na only one set of people fit become victims, but I just dey wonder if this thing fit happen to brigadier general, wetin fit happen to our president? So we go talk about am for this video. We dey usually forget but for this world no one human being dey 100% safe. Yes, e don get time when American president JFK, when dem take out JFK for America with all the security, and in recent times you see say even Donald Trump dey try to take am out. As secret service full there people full there, na small thing the man for just kpai. So we know say when e come to security issues, anybody fit be victim. So now, and wetin dey happen be say when security system dey more and more exposed, those bad people go dey see the loophole wey dem fit take enter. If dem try one thing dem see say dem succeed, dem go dey go further. Na so bad thing dey do. The same with good. If you do one good thing, you go dey do more. Na so if you dey do one bad thing, you go dey do more. So this our security issue, this our security system, make we check. I know why they say usually we dey think say where that like where the president dey stay, say e dey 100% safe. Make we realize say e get people wey dey work for the president, and those people at any point dem fit dey compromise. E get time for Nigeria wey dem dey do coups. During the coups wey dem dey do for Nigeria, that time you get military president, and military president, you know say as a military president, you yourself you sabi shoot gun. Your subs, your people around you, gun full everywhere. But yet e still get time. Even Buhari, e get one time when they try to overthrow Buhari. E get one time when they overthrow Murtala Mohammed, when they overthrow am. So in the history of Nigeria, we don get where presidents no dey safe situation. Because one thing when president no realize, if you get incompetent people around you, e be like say you dey attract more danger to yourself, because those incompetent people, dem no go get the character or the quality to do their work properly. They go expose you unnecessarily. And now we don see say more and more the bandits, they don dey put hand for our eye. They don dey dare us. They say you no fit do anything. Wetin you fit do? That wife or the person wey come out say she be wife of the brigadier general, I never confirm but the person wey they say she be the wife of brigadier general, she really talk about how these bad people don really dey show say they no dey fear anybody. Say how people no dey safe. So wetin I go beg Mr. President to do, make e no wait till e reach im turn or e reach the turn of people around am. Abeg, because these bad guys, dem dey see loopholes more and more. Dem dey see say weakness dey here, and dem go find any vulnerable spot to enter. Dem dey very calculated. Dem dey calculate before they do anything. Dem dey think well. You think say person go just, people wey ambush that brigadier general, you think say they just wake up do am. Dem fit dey plan these things for years. Even the thing wey happen for America, that 9/11 attack, na years the people wey attack, they come America like I think 2 years or 19 months or something before the final attack. So these people dey plan and they don dey infiltrate different places. They don dey infiltrate different places. So they don dey know the weakness of those people for government, people wherever they want. Sometimes that thing when they do the brigadier general, I'm not saying na money they want to. Na just statement that they try to say we know they fear you, we fit do you anything, you no fit do anything to us. Until date, I no know, maybe they don't catch them. But till date, I never hear say they don't catch them. At least the time when I dey do this video, sometimes I dey do video, I go do am later, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even 1 month later. So, but the time when I shoot this video, I never hear say they don't catch those people when kpai the brigadier general. And when they see say they fit get away with one thing, they go dey contemplate more and more. They go dey contemplate more and more. Some people get ideology. You see one thing when intelligence officers for Nigerians need to learn and say, these people when dey that side, these bad people, these bandits, this whatever you call them, these extremists, whatever you call them, they get ideology. Even though their ideology fit not be the right ideology, but most of the time e get wetin they stand for. e get wetin dem believe and dem go do everything to achieve dat thing. Dat thing wey dem do to the brigadier general, I no hear say dem ask for ransom or anything. Na just to prove say we wan tell una say una security apparatus or whatever e no reach our own pass una own. So as dem dey do more and dem dey get away with am, dem go dey plan more, dem go dey infiltrate more, dem go dey do more. And when people dey hungry, e dey easy to sell out. Na im be the truth. When people feel say people for government no care about them, e dey easy for them to be sell out. They'll say, after all, the people for government no care about me. So if this ones offer me money, abeg, I go join them or I go do something bad. So I dey beg our president, Mr. President, make e no reach, make e reach the red light before e start to take concrete decision, before e start to put people wey dey around am. Make e make sure say e no dey put people there because dem be tribesmen or because dem dey at ten d in church or in mosque or because dem dey in political party make e dey look for the most competent people, because this thing wey happen come be like an embarrassment to the federal government, not only to the federal government, an embarrassment to Nigeria. E come be like say we be nothing. E come make us look so cheap for the eyes of the world. I no know how una dey look una sef or how we dey think say other people dey look us, whether na better eye dey take dey look Nigerians. We dey look more and more incompetent as the days dey go. Na so we dey look. So Mr. President, I go beg you, any political thing wey you dey do, abeg put am aside, because you know wetin, when gbege hit fan, na only you go carry the wahala. Na so e dey be o. Na only you go carry the wahala. And even that place where you dey live, you go surprise say e no dey as a security dis thing as you think, because Nigeria we dey cut corners. If for example dem suppose do something to make that place secure, you go surprise say the people wey dey do am, dem dey collect the money, dem no dey put the correct thing. Na so we dey do. Na just our way be that. If you go hospital, e get somebody I know wey dey work for one hospital for Nigeria here, but she don japa. When she dey here, dem suppose to buy new machine for where she dey work. Dem go dey buy second hand machine, but dem go write when dem dey do the writing or whatever, when dem dey do the accounting, dem go say na new machine, and that machine dey shock people. As dem dey use the machine for patient, e go shock the person wey dey use am. Luckily, this my person no ever shock her once, but e shock some people. Na so some people fit kpai because dem dey work for office. So people dey incompetent. So the thing about am be say, if Mr. President dey put incompetent people around am, dem fit just expose am when e least expect. Dis na just from a place of care. We no even like a nation wey e be say anything go happen to our president. We no even want am. Wetin we want na a nation wey the president go get the heart of the people. When people around am, e no go dey fear them. I no know how true dis thing be but e get one guy wey dem dey call Wode Maya. Wode Maya go Burkina Faso. I watch the YouTube videos wey e make. E go Burkina Faso. E find out say for Burkina Faso, e get this group of men, they just come together. If they say Ibrahim Traore no dey pay them anything, they just decide say they wan protect their president. They love am so much, they believe in am so much, say they wan protect am. Now, Mr. President of Nigeria, you sure say people around you, they believe in you, or they like you because they feel say that they get one or two opportunities? You get people wey really like you from the bottom of their heart. Let's say tomorrow things no work out for you, or you no get money as you get, or you no get the position, you sure say they go dey around you, sure say they no go betray you? You have to ask yourself these questions. If you no get real people around you, this na the time, especially now for the time of Nigeria, this na the time wey you go change your ways. This na the time wey you go just look say, no, or I no dey look face so, na only people wey dey do well now I go put around me. Not be only for your security, for everybody's security, and most importantly for your legacy. I know say most people dey care about their legacy, how people dey think about them, how people go think of them when they don comot, how you want people to dey think of you. I know say Nigeria, people dey whitewash their legacy. You go get president wey no do anything, people go dey hail am, but at the end of the day, who do well, everybody know. Most people go acknowledge say the person do well. Una dey think of the fact say one day una go leave this position. So Mr. President, I go ask you now, I don talk am for Pidgin, make I ask you for English. How safe are you? And your safety go depend on the people wey you put around you. Na im go determine how safe you be or not. This na just a message from a concerned citizen wey want make things better for Nigeria. So una when dey listen to this video, wetin una think? Wetin una think about wetin I talk? Abi no be my business. If not be my business, as usual, make una tell me for comments. If na my business, una feel say na relevant question I dey ask, make we continue the conversation for comments. So till I see una for the next video, una do.